Hi, I'm Siobhan from Zero Fashion. It's a CIC set up to reduce textiles waste, and one way that we can do that is by repairing what we have. So I've got three items that were in my job to repair, and the skill I'm going to use is a backstitch. So the same one little stitch I can use for these three different things, and they are all different problems. This one is a completely ripped seam. This one is a buttonhole, and this one is the decorative stitch has come undone. So a back stitch is sewn with a needle, thread and some thread scissors. Is all I need. So the back stitch, we normally think of sewing as we go like this in a running stitch. So I would start as I would do a running stitch, but instead of doing my next stitch forward, I'm going to go backwards. So I'm going to go back to where I was and then come forwards again. So, that's phrase 1 step forwards and 2 steps back. That is officially the back stitch. So I'm forwards again, but then I go back on myself. Well, there we go. So the simple back stitch. You can see the back is a lot stronger than our running stitch.